Can you see me?
नमस्ते महोदय।
ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. So let's continue with our Sankshepa Ramayanam. Okay. So last
महोदय रोशनी सम्यक् नास्ति in your room. Looks like.
yeah, I know. But anyway, we are screen sharing only, na? So I thought it's like that. Actually, yeah, I need to put one light just in, at least for the next batch, I should do that. One light I should put in front of me, or with the circle light, something. So, रोशनी हिंदी वर्ड किल संस्कृत भाषायां रोशनी अस्ति वा? रोशनी
नास्ति।
प्रकाशः न अस्ति इति वक्तुं शक्यते।
प्रकाशः नास्ति।
प्रकाशः दीपिका त्विष्भा शोभा looks like Roshni is not there. Maybe later on the superficially you can see that it is not there. Astu, let me go back to the. So there is last class we saw that Kaikeyi saw the arrangements for Rama, and she said she asked for two boons. One is Ramasya Vivasanam, Anantaram Bharatasya Abhishechanam. So then, because of that, Ramam, he separated Dasharathasya Priyam Ramam Vivasaya Masa. He went on exile. Kimartam Kaikeya Priyakarna, because of his love for Kaikeyi, and because he has to follow his father's words. So till now we covered. Now what is happening? Immediately when Rama goes, who are the two people who follow?
Sita and Lakshmana.
So tam vrajantam priyo. You, Ritesh Madhya, you say very well. You tell.
Tam vrajantam priyo bhrata Lakshmano nu jagamaha snehadvinaya sampannaha Sumitra nandavardhanaha Bhrataram daito bhratuhu Saubhratra manudarshayan Ramasya daita bharya Nityam prana samahita Janakasya kule jata Devamayev nirmita सर्वलक्षण संपन्ना नारिणामुत्तमा वधूः सीताप्यनुगता रामं शशिनं रोहिणी यथा.
So yeah, it has to complete with one line, but the meaning is stops here. Very excellently you actually recited actually. But now when you recited, you understood the meaning, no? Yeah, so nothing major for me to explain. Okay, now what we are going to do, first take these 3 lines and then understand the meaning, and then we'll take these 4 lines and understand the meaning. That is how we'll group it. Maybe I'll mark this in red. Okay. Tam vrajantam priyo bhrata Lakshmano anujagamaha snehat vinaya sampannaha Sumitra nanda vardhanaha Bhrataram daito bhratuhu saubhratram anudarshayan. What is happening? What is the Kriya Padam?
Anujagama.
Anujagama. Anujagama means to follow.
Follow.
Yeah. So who is following? Who followed? So that is that lit prayoga lakara. Who followed? Lakshmana.
Lakshmana.
And he followed kam anujagama. Lakshmana kam anujagama. He followed
Rama.
Ramam. Ramam. So tam Ramam anujagama. Kidrisham Ramam, Vrajantam Ramam. A Rama who is ready to go. Vrajantam means a Rama who is ready to go. Tam Ramam. Brataram. Brataram meaning brother. So these tam, Vrajantam, Brataram, Anujagama. So he, Lakshmanaha, Ramam, tam, Vrajantam, Brataram, Anujagama. He followed his brother who was about to go. Okay. Others are all adjectives for Lakshmana. Lakshmana is what? Brata, brother of Rama. He is Priyaha. He is favorite brother of Rama. And he is Sumitra Nandavardhanaha. Already we saw Kausalya Nandavardhanaha. So similarly, Sumitra Nandavardhana. He is a child who gives joy to his mother Sumitra. Snehat Vinaya Sampannaha. So Vinaya Sampannaha. Vinaya meaning?
Humility.
Humility. Sampannaha, endowed with humility. Lakshmana is endowed with humility. Okay. Snehat. Why did he go? Why did he follow him? Because
due to love.
Due to love. Snehat. Panchami is telling us the reason. The Panchami Prayoga is telling us the reason why Lakshmana went. Snehat Anujagama. Now what is Daita? Daitaha means favorite. Daitaha, favorite. Bratuhu Daitaha, favorite of his brother. Who is the brother? Rama. Lakshmana is Bratuhu Daitaha, favorite, brother's favorite. Okay. What is Saubratram Anudarshayan? Darshayan means displaying. Saubratram is good brotherhood. Brata is brother. Saubratram is good brotherhood. Displaying Anudarshayan in a way of displaying good brotherhood. Snehat, out of love. Lakshmana, who is a Sumitra Nandavardhanaha, who is a Vinaya Sampannaha, who is a brother, who is a Priyaha, who is a favorite of Rama, Daita, Bratuhu Daito, favorite of Rama. That kind of Lakshmana followed Anujagama, Ramam Anujagama. The meaning is clear? Actually, Ramayana is very simple, very simple. Then, Ramasya Daita Bharya, Nityam Prana Samahita, Janakasya Kule Jata, Deva Mayeva Nirmita, Sarva Lakshana Sampanna, Narinam Uttama Vaduhu, Sita Api Anugata Ramam, Sashinam Rohini Yata. So you tell me, Mahodaya, what could be, or Radhika Mahodaya, what could be the meaning?
I am not able to hear. Is Radhika Mahodaya speaking?
Oh, you're not able to hear?
No, I am able to hear you. Not Radhika
Radhika
Mahodaya.
Mahodaya.
Can you hear me?
Now we can.
Yeah. What were you saying, Mahodaya? I can't hear you. I mean, say that again.
Me?
Yes.
I haven't said a thing.
Oh, you didn't say anything. Okay.
I thought you said something.
No, I was all ears.
Okay. No, okay. Now, see, what we are saying is here, Lakshmana followed Rama. Whenever this Anu is there, that means there is the word Anu means to follow. Okay. Now, here also they are saying Sita Api Anugata. Here Anugata, Sita also went. That's what it means. Sita Api Anugata. Now, what kind of Sita is she? What are the adjectives here?
Deva Mayeva Nirmita. Deva Mayeva Nirmita.
There are so many simple things. Daita, Bharya, Why you're going to the most, that's the most complex thing in this whole shloka.
Okay.
You went directly there.
Sarva Lakshana Sampanna.
Sarva Lakshanas are extremely simple. She is a Sampanna. She is full of all kinds of Sarva Lakshanas. All the beauty, all the physical and internal beauty, she is possessed with that. Sarva Lakshana Sampanna. Narinam Uttama.
Narinam Uttama.
Narinam Uttama, meaning among the women, she's the best.
She's the best among the women.
Vadhu, the bride of Rama. Vadhu, the bride of Rama. Then this is also simple. Ramasya Daita. Rama's favorite, beloved. Who? Bharya, wife.
Hari.
Wife. Nityam Prana Sama. Nityam Prana Sama means, Prana means breath, right? So she is, Sama means equal to. She is equal to Rama's breath itself. So basically when Rama breathes, it's Sita he is breathing. When Sita breathes, she's breathing Rama, like that. So it is Nityam, always. They don't fight, I think. I don't know. Okay, Nityam Prana Sama. Later on, lot of stories happen, but I'm saying Nityam Prana Sama. So they are like, so her breath is his and his breath is hers. Like that. That's what this means. Equal to the breath. And it is always, not here and there. Hita. What is the meaning of Hita?
Well-wisher?
Well-wisher, yes. Well-wisher of what? Is it only Rama? No, she is well-wisher of Rama. She's well-wisher of people. She's well-wisher of even Ravana who came to attack her. So that because she is Lakshmi herself, right? And then Janakasya Kule Jata, meaning?
She's from the Kula of Janaka.
So Janaka is not correct. She is not the, so Janaka is not the name of her father. Janaka is the clan. Every king in that dynasty will be called Janaka. So that Kula means the dynasty or that clan. So that she is a person who was born in that Janaka Kula. Then Deva Maya. Nirmita is a separate word. Deva Maya Iva. Iva means like. Deva Maya Iva. Deva Maya means there are many explanations for Deva Maya. One explanation is she is like the Mohini Avatara that Lord Vishnu took. When the Devas and Asuras were doing that Parkadalka Manthan.
Yes.
And she, Vishnu took the form of Mohini and gave all the poison to Asuras, right? So she is like that. She is like that Maya, that Mohini Maya. She's like that. And Nirmita. Nirmita means the God himself has manifested her. Nirmita meaning to build something. Ma is the root. To build something. Nirmita means she's been built by God himself, like that. Sita api Anugata. She also followed. Kam Anugata? Ramam. How here there is an example. See, example is only 3 words. Just like, so in our Shastras, moon is married to 27 stars, of which the Rohini is the prime star. Rohini is favorite for the moon. So just like Rohini follows Sashi, Rama, so that is a closeness. Because here they are saying this, but here there is no example for Lakshmana. See, although but here there is an example to show the closeness that they have. Sashinam, Rohini, just like Yata, Rohini, Sashinam, Anugachati. Tataiva, Sita api Ramam, Anugachati. Or Anugacha, what is it? What is the Lakara form?
Lakara form of?
Gachami, Anugachami, Anugachati. Oh, I'm blank.
It is Anugata, it is Ta Pratyaya?
This is Ta Pratyaya. What is the Lang Lakara?
Okay.
Even for Pat, what is the Lang Lakara? Prathama Pursha?
Apatat.
Apatat, no? So Agachat. So Anvagachat. Anvagachat because the Sandhi will come. End Sandhi will come. Anvagachat. Okay. So meaning is clear? It's the meaning.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it's very, very simple shloka. If Sandhis we can see, See, Priyaha Brata. So there is the Sandhi, Visarga has become Utvam. Has become
Utvam.
Okara. Lakshmanaha Anujagama. Even here, because it is followed by A, there is Utvam and Purva Rupa. Purva Rupa Sandhi. So Snehat has become Snehad because it is the end of because of Jastra Sandhi, we have not learned that yet. So don't worry about that. Sumitra Ananda Vardhanaha Savarnatirtha. Again same Daito.
Daitaha, right?
Daitaha. Daitaha.
Utvam.
Correct, Utvam. Here any Sandhi is there?
Saubhratram Anudarshayan. So there is no Sandhi.
There's no Sandhi. Where else can you find Sandhi?
Pranasamahita Janakasya Pulle Jata Devamaye Devamayeva is one word or
Deva Maya is one word. Deva
Deva
Maya is
Maya.
one. But then
Oh.
Eva is there. Just
Eva is
like
there.
so Deva Maya and Eva has become Eva.
So
that
this is
is-
also not a Sandhi, right?
This is Sandhi.
Maya.
A plus E has
E.
become A. So that is Guna Sandhi.
Guna Sandhi happening. Okay.
Mm.
Nirmita.
Nirmita.
Lakshmana Sampanna. Narinam Uttama. There is no Sandhi. Narinam Uttama.
No, sir.
Vadu.
Correct.
Sita Api.
Mm.
Sita Api is there, right? So
how many Sandhis are there?
Sita Api Anu.
Anugata. There are three words, no? Sita, Api, Anugata. So Sita and Api has together become Sita
This
Api actually.
Swarnadiga Sandhi. Savarnadiga Sandhi.
Yes.
And then Yan Sandhi.
And then yes. Correct. Then yes. Ramam Sashinam Rohini.
No Sandhi.
No Sandhi. Then what is the Vyakaranamsha? Tam Rajantam. So this is all Rajantam is continuous, present continuous form. We have not learned that. But it's a Namapadam. Okay. So Bhavan, Bhavanto, Bhavantaha. Then Dvitiya Vibhakti is Bhavantam. Like that,
Bhavantam.
Vrajantam. Vrajantam. Okay.
So this is also Ta Pratyaya?
No. This is present continuous. We have not learned that. This is a Takaranta Shabda. So the Braj Dhatu has taken, we have taken Braj Dhatu, made it a Namapadam. And the Namapadam has become Brajat. Brajat. In Pullinga, it will become Brajan, Brajantau, Brajantaha, Brajantam. Okay, this we learn next level. This is present continuous. Rama is going. While Rama is going, Lakshmana follows. This is present continuous. Priyaha. Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. Bhrata.
Bhrata. Bhratra Shabd. Pullinga, right? Rikaranta. Pullinga. Bhrata. Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachanam.
Lakshmana, same. I mean, Akaranta.
Same.
Anujagama.
Litlakara.
Litlakara, Prathama
Purusha.
Ha is just a filler word to say indeed and all. Indeed to give emphasis. Okay. Snehat. So
Panchami.
Panchami.
Sneha Shabda, right?
Sneha Shabda. Sneha. Vinaya Sampannaha.
Akaranta Pullinga Ekvachanam.
Sumitrananda Vardhana. Again, Akaranta Pullinga Ekvachanam. Bhrataram.
Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam.
Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam. Bhrata Shabda. Daitaha is Akaranta Pullinga. Daitaha.
This is Ta Pratyaya? Daitaha.
I don't think so.
Maybe this is a word.
I think it is a word on its own.
Because Daita is there, Daitaha is also there. So I thought it is a Ta Pratyaya.
Yeah, highly possible, but then it's an adjective. See, when it is Strilinga, it is wife. When it is masculine, it is husband, lover, or somebody very cherished. So there is all kinds of usages. It is. It looks like a. It just looks like an adjective. I don't think it is. I mean, ta pratyaya can also be an adjective. We try. What can we try here? Or maybe kosha.
In Daya, Daya word in Atmanepada, it is Daita, Prathama Vibhakti, Lut Lakara. I don't know, it is Lut Lakara.
No, we should not see
No.
we should not see lakara. We should see ta pratyaya. So you should see in kridanta because it is namapadam, na?
Yeah, this is Daitaha, Daita, Ta Pratyaya. Dait,
Daitaha.
हाँ, Daitaha Pulinga,
Ah.
Daita Strilinga, and Daitam Napunsaklinga.
Super. Then that, yeah. Then that is the correct one. Yes. Yes.
Dhatu is Day.
Right. But I also feel daita could be a separate shabda. Okay. Yeah. See what you said has come here.
Oh,
Dai.
there.
Dai. For dai, ta pratyaya, daita, daita. Super. Yeah. So from dai, daya, it has come, I think. So that is ta pratyaya. Bharya. Bharya is like our Lata Rama Shabda. Nityam Prana Samahita. Nityam is Nityam is what is it? Nityam.
Is there either used as avyayam or
Nityam Abhyay is Abhyay. Yeah. Can you see?
avyayam? Correct.
Is
Avyayam.
Nityam is Abhyay. Prana Sama. Okay, this is a Samasa, Samastapadam. 2 words have been used. But it is an Akaranta Strilinga Shabda because it is an adjective to Sita. Hita again, you can, this also you can search whether it is, because Hitaha, Hita is there.
This also looks like Ta Pratyaya.
Yeah, it looks. This Ta Pratyaya has brought a lot of light.
Yeah. Hita. To support, to nourish, धारण करना, धा धातु. Hitaha, hita, hitam.
What dhatu?
Dha dhatu.
Not this tava.
Dha. Dha.
Oh, okay.
Juhotyadi, नहीं. Dudanj धारण पोषण योह. To bear, to support, to nourish, to protect.
Yeah, okay.
Dha dhatu. And there is another he dhatu, which is to go and or to grow. Jana badna. That is also hita, hitaha.
Jana badna. Okay. But da seems to be more appropriate because
Da
it
seems
is
to be more appropriate.
Yeah.
To support, to nourish.
So Sanskrit meaning is given there itself.
Oh,
Support,
Dharana
nourishing.
Poshana, correct. Dharana Poshana.
No, in Ashtadhyayi itself it's given.
Ashtadhyayi. I was looking at Ashtadhyayi.
Okay. Janakasya kule jata. So, Janakaha we know.
Shashti.
Shashti ekavachanam. Kulam is Napumsakalinga padam. Jata is Strilinga. Karanta Strilinga. Deva Maya. Again a samasta padam. But Akaranta Strilinga. Eva is Avyayam. Nirmita again it is a Ta pratyaya.
Oh.
Yeah, the dhatu is Ma. Ma is to build.
Oh, Ma dhatu.
Ma dhatu. So Nirmita again Ta pratyaya with Ni upasarga. And then
this Ni is adding any value? Like Ma is also to build.
No, Ma is not to build. I think it's Ma is not build. Let's see.
Oh.
Here I have it right here. one minute. Ma is to measure weight, weigh, limit, and compare in size. Is to anything when you compare, that means ma. And when you add in is in front, it becomes to make.
Ma.
Sarva Lakshana Sampanna. Again, this is also a ta pratyaya. I don't remember the root. Narina Uttama. That is an adjective. It's a proper visheshanam. Vaduhu. Vaduhu is what shabda?
Vaduhu. Strilinga shabda.
Strilinga, but it is Ukara shabda.
Ukaranta. Vadu.
Ukara. Yeah, Vadu.
So it is Prathama Ekvachanam? Vadu.
You tell me.
Narina Uttama Vadu. Yes.
Because it is
Sita.
no?
Sita. So it is Prathama Ekvachanam only.
Yeah. Sita api. Api is avyayam. Anugata is again ta pratyaya, strilingam. Ramam. Ramah shabdam. Sashinam. What shabda is this? Sashinam. Sashinam is Dvitiya Vibhakti. What?
Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam.
What kind of shabda?
Shashi. Strilinga,
Shashi.
right?
No.
Oh, Shashi.
Here I told you, na, Shashi moon has 27 wives. So, Shashi is a moon.
Shashi.
So, Shashi is a masculine. So, Shashi, like Guni, Swami. Is
It's a Nakaranta Shashin.
Exactly. It's a Nakaranta.
Vashin. Vashi.
Vashi, correct. Rohini, Yatta. Rohini is a Ikaranta Strilinga. Yatta is avyayam. Okay. So, the last class we talked about 10 sentences that covered most of what we have learned. Only thing that these 10 sentences did not have was Sandhi. Sandhi, but we have revised, in many shlokas and other places. So Sandhi, these 10 sentences tell you what it's like a revision for all the concepts. Apart from this, Sandhi is there, which we have always seen. One thing that I have not come back to is this Anvayaracna. Remember, in between we did Anvayaracna, and then we said there are 7 steps to Anvayaracna. So these are the 7 steps. If you are preparing to write Asha Seva Kendram's exam, definitely there will be some shloka given and asked to do Anvayaracna. And that Anvayaracna, in each place the order might change, but the steps are the same. Somewhere the order might change. But here we say whenever a shloka is given, first thing that you must do is Padanam Pratak Karotu. So if a shloka is given, we have to split it into individual words without any sandhis. And then the second thing will be you have to write the sandhis. That time when I took the class, sandhi we did not take, so I did not write. I wrote here, we will learn later. But the first step will be to write the individual words and then write the sandhi that is given. Okay, this, see, what is the second step? Second step is to give a samanya artha, just to give a superficial meaning in Sanskrit or English. Third step is to give the Vyakaranamshaha. Just like for Ramayana, we are saying, what kind of a pada it is, what kind of a lakara it is, all that we have to write. That is Vyakarana Amshaha, the grammatical points. Then the fourth step will be Prati Padarthaha, meaning the meaning of every word that is given in the shloka. What is the meaning? And Vakya Visleshanam is the fifth step, where you group. First you find the Kriya Padam, then you group words that are in each vibhakti. And finally you give the avyayas. And the sixth step will be Akanksha Grama, where you actually expect, you ask questions to the Kriya Padam. And for every Kriya Padam, there will be one answer. And then the last step is based on this Akanksha Krama, you write the Anvayaracna, the Anvayaracna, the order of the shloka. And then the meaning. Okay, this you have already learned. So I thought today we can just, revise like quickly 2 shlokas.
Hmm.
So, Radhika Mate Patatu.
वैद्यराज नमस्तुभ्यं नमः तुभ्यं यमराज सहोदर यमः तु हरति प्राणान् वैद्यः प्राणान् धनानि च.
What's the meaning?
Namaskaram to Vaidyanaraj, who is the brother of Yamaraj, is it ma'am? Yam.
Yes.
And Yamaha, he takes away your life, but the doctor, he saves your life. Is it something like that?
No, this Harati is common. For Yamaha also Harati is there, Vaidya also Harati is there. So, here, the thing is, Vaidyaraja Namaha Tupyam. To the doctor, I am saluting Namaha Tupyam. Kidrisha Vaidyaharaja Yamaraja Sahodara, brother of Yamaraja. Okay. Yamaha Harati Prana. He will only take the prana. Vaidyahatu Pranan Harati Dhananicha. Money also. So the doctors take away the money and the life.
Oh.
I thought he's praising.
Oh, in Sanskrit, there is so much of satire.
Yes.
Yeah, this is very basic. Some slokas go to high levels of satire.
Okay.
So we always think, no, Sanskritam only, Stuti and all.
Yeah,
And
yes,
all
ma'am.
No, there is lot of satire, there is humor, there is description of love, there is, and also there is, atheism also. So there are scriptures on everything. And when you read in Sanskritam, it is very, it is like shloka, but actually it will be something else. So it's a nice one. So this meaning is very simple. So what is the Padacheda? The first step would be to basically split all these words and write the Sandhi. So where is our Sandhis here?
Namaha Tubhyam.
Namaha
Satvam.
Tubhyam. Yes, Satvam Visarga Sandhi. Correct.
So it is Karkasha Vyanjanani. First is Ach.
In front, anything can be there.
In front, anything can be there. Then Visarga, then Karkasha Vyanjanani.
Yes, correct.
Khash, nahi. Khar.
Karkasha.
Khar.
Correct.
Khar.
Yes.
Okay.
Khar.
Then it is Satvam.
Satvam. Correct.
Namaha Tubhyam. Yamaraja Sahodara. This is one word.
That is one word. No, is there any? Yeah, there's no Sandhi there.
Yamaha tu harati pranan vaidyaha pranan dhanani. There is no Sandhi, looks like.
There is no Sandhi. So there's only one Sandhi. Then other than that, we can write everything separately. So this is the first step. Second step would be to give the general meaning. So you can write on general meaning. The third one is the Vyakaranamshaha. I think it's very basic. Sure, you have any questions here? We have seen even complex shlokas. So Vaidyaraja, Akaranta. But what vibhakti is this? Vaidyaraja. What vibhakti is it?
Vaidya Raja Shabda.
So what is the thing I'm saying? Vaidyaraja, Yamaraja Sahodara, Namaha Tubhyam.
Sambodhana.
Is it Sambodhana?
Yeah, Sambodhana. It is Sambodhana, correct. So I'm saying Vaidyaraja. So it is Akaranta Pullinga, it is Sambodhana. Again, Yamaraja Sahodara, again I'm addressing him.
Hmm.
So it is Sambodhana. Namaha, what is it?
Prathama ekvachanam, namas shabda, right?
Namah Shabda, it is Sakaranta Napumsakalinga. Okay.
Oh, napumsaklinga. Namas.
It is used with any word that is in Chaturthi Vibhakti.
Hmm.
Tubhyam is
Namaha.
Tubhyam is Yushmat Shabda. This is all very basic, no?
Hmm.
It's a Dakaranta Pullinga Shabda.
Chaturthi vibhakti ekvachanam.
So when you write Harati, then you write what Dhatu it is. It is Huru Dhatu. And what kind of a Padi is it? Parasmay-padi or Atmanipadi? Actually, it is Ubhaya-padi. But here, Atra Parasmay-padi.
Parasmaipadi. Lat lagara prathama purusha ekvachanam.
Pranana Sakaranta Pullinga Shabda.
Dvitiya bahuvachanam. Vaidya.
Correct. What is Bahuvachanam? Ekavachanam only. Oh, Pranan. Yes,
Pranan.
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 Yeah.
Bahuvachanam.
What Vibhakti is it?
Pranaha. Dvitiya vibhakti. Raman.
Raman. Correct.
Vaidyaha. This is also bahuvachanam. No.
Ekvachanam. Ekvachanam.
Vaidyaha. Okay. Vaidyaha.
Vaidyaha and Yamaha. Yamaha is Ekavachanam. Vaidyaha is Ekavachanam. Dhanani is Napumsakalingam. Bahuvachanam. Again, Dhanani is Dvitiya Vibhakti. Because he is taking away the money. The money is being taken up. Sure. So after we write the grammatical points, we have to write the meaning of each word. Vaidyaraja, doctor, chikitsaha, namaha, namaskaraha, tubhyam te, yamaraja sahodaraha, yamasya bhrataha, yamaha dharmarajaha, tuhi, harati samharati, pranan jivan, vaidyaha chikitsaha, dhanani, vittani, dravyani, cha is api. And then the Vakya Vishleshanam will be the grouping part. So first to find out what is the Kriya Padam or the Prathama Vibhakti, and finally we write all the Vibhaktis and write Avyayam. And this is Akansha Krama. Kriya Padam is Asti, Kim Asti, Namaha Asti, Kasmai Namaha Asti, Tubhyam Asti. Next is Kriya Padam Harati. Kaha Harati, Yamaha Harati. Yamaha Kan Harati, Pranan Harati. Punaha Kaha Harati, Vaidyaha. Vaidyaha Kan Harati, Pranan. Punaha Vaidyaha Kani Harati, Dhanani. So once we have come with the Akanksha Krama, we have to write the shloka in the normal readable format. Hey, Yamaraja Sahodara, Vaidyaraja, Namaha Tubhyam. That is one sentence of the shloka. The second shloka, sentence is Yamaha tu Kevalam Pranan Harati, Vaidyaha Pranan Dhanani cha Harati. So we write that readable sentence and then we give the English way. This is how a basic Anvayaracna goes. I did it very fast because we have already discussed this in one previous class. Yeah. Today, maybe I thought, we can take one more example. No questions there, no? Am I going very fast?
In Akansha Krama of this, the first one. Asti, Adhyahritam, right? The first one.
Adhyahritam, correct.
Then Namaha Asti. How, I did not understand. Namaha Asti.
Kim Asti, ma'am?
Kim Asti, Namaha Asti. Because Namaha is not a Kriya Padam. Because salutations is there. In English, if you want, if I have to literally translate this, Kim Asti, what is there? Salutations is there. Then we ask, then to who salutations is there? Then we say salutations to him is there. In English, it sounds weird. That's why we think in our own mother tongue.
Kim Asti,
but it is not It is not karmani passive voice prayoga, right? Karmani prayoga.
No, it's direct, no?
Direct,
Tubhyam
correct.
namaha.
Tubhyam namaha.
Yeah. Okay.
What is there? Namaskaram is there, is it not?
Yes, correct. 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 Okay. One more shloka I thought, but I haven't done just listed the headings alone. Okay. So what could be the meaning of this shloka? Instead of zooming it, I'm the concept. Zoom. Ah. Radhika, my dear, read. Please read. Patatu.
चिन्तनीया हि विपदां
Hmm.
आदावेव प्रतिक्रिया
Hmm.
न कूपखननं युक्तं प्रदीप्ते वह्निना गृहे
Vannina grihe.
वह्नि
Yeah. So what could be the meaning? Pratikriya means to respond, the reaction, response
reaction.
or reaction. Pratikriya is reaction or response. What is the meaning of vipad? Apad, vipad.
Vipada.
विपदा
Difficulty, right? Some difficult situation.
Yeah, yeah, correct. It is a
calamity
difficult
of
calamity, accident, calamity, some danger, like that. So that is vipada. Okay. It is actually vipad shabda. It's a strilinga. See, I'll show. See, it is a vipad shabda.
Oh, Vipat Shabda, Strilinga.
Vipad dakaranta strilinga pada. It is
Hmm.
dakaranta strilinga. Vipad vipada upadaha. Vipadam vipada upadaha. Where does vipadam come?
Vipadam. Shashti.
Shashti bahuvachanam.
Hmm.
So vipadam is so because it is Shashti bahuvachanam, you cannot literally take it as
Sambandha.
no, yeah, sambandha, exactly. So it means during difficult times. That's what it means. Of difficult times.
Hmm.
That's the right meaning. Of difficult times, response chintaniya. The response should be thought of. When adaveva means adav eva. So it is adav eva. Adav means what is this adav? Adi. Adihi. Just like Harihi, Adihi. Meaning the beginning, first itself.
beginning
Adi means beginning. Adi eva. Adi, what is the Saptami Ekavachanam of Hari Shabda or Adi Shabda?
Harau.
Harau. Similarly, Adi has become Adav. Adav
Saptami this is.
eva. Saptami Ekavachanam. Adav eva. In the beginning itself. Because it is Saptami, you are saying in the beginning itself is eva. In the beginning. So, Adav eva, in the beginning itself, so of difficult times, during difficult times, the response to the difficult times must be thought of in the beginning itself.
Hmm.
Na kupa kananam yuktam. Pradite vannina grihe. What is the meaning? Grihe pradite. Burning. When the house is burning, kimartha vannina. Vannina, when the vanni means agni.
By the fire.
By the fire. When the house is burning by the fire, at that time, kupa kananam. Kupa means well. Kananam is to dig. Kanati is to dig.
okay okay
Kupa kananam, digging of a well to get water at that time is not yuktam, it's not
Hmm.
appropriate,
Hmm.
not suitable. That's what the meaning is.
Hmm.
That's the meaning. So, if you have to do padacheda and sandhi, that's not major sandhi, I think. Only this.
Adaveva.
Adau eva.
Adav eva has become Adaveva.
What
Because
is
of
this Sandhi? Ada.
Ayava. Adau, au and
Ayavayava.
yeah, see, au and a has joined together. Au
Hmm.
and a has joined together. So what sandhi is it?
Avayavaha. Something like that.
Ayavayava.
Ayavayavaha.
Correct. Ayavayava.
Yanta Vanta Desha.
Another name is Yantavanta. So when you see au and any swara, what happens? Happens. Okay. In place of au and the swara, comes. So au goes, this also goes. No, this stays, sorry, au goes.
Oh.
Au goes. So au goes and av comes. So ada veda. That is yanta vanta desha sandhi. There's no other sandhi other than that. So this is step 1. Step 2 is to give the samanya artha or the tatparyam. So you can give some simple one-line meaning. Third step is the vyakaranamshaha. So to discuss the vyakaranamshaha of every point. So what is chintaniya?
Chintaniyah. Pullinga Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam.
No. Pratikriya chintaniya.
Oh,
Pratikriya.
it's a
Strilinga.
Strilinga. Strilinga.
Strilinga.
I'm saying
Chint dhatu, chin dhatu. What is the dhatu?
Chintaniya.
Chin dhatu. What pratyaya?
Aniya.
Aniya pratyaya. The
Oh.
meaning of must be thought of. Chint dhatu. Dhatu is chint. So chint dhatu, aniya pratyaya, strilinga. Visheshanam for what word? Is visheshanam for pratikriya.
Pratikriya.
So pratikriya chintaniya. Okay. He is Abhyayapadam, we saw that. Vipadam, we saw that is Strilinga, Bahuvachanam, we saw that. Dakaranta Pullinga. Adau, Adihi Eva. Adihi is Pullinga Padam. Ikaranta Pullingam. Eva is Abhyayam. Pratikriya is Strilinga Padam. Na is again Abhyayam. Kupakananam. Kupakananam is Samasta Padam. 2 words have been joined together. But it is a Napumsakalinga Padam. Yuktam. Yuktam.
Avyaya, right?
No. Yuktam is a ta
Yukta.
pratyaya of yuj dhatu ta pratyaya. Yuj dhatu ta pratyaya. Napumsakalinga. Yuktam. Okay. Again, pradipte vannina grihe. Vannina?
Strilinga.
Vannihi is
One he.
Vannihi is Pullinga.
One he is Pullinga.
Pullinga.
Like Hari.
Like Agni. Like Hari.
Agni. So this is Tritiya Vibhakti.
Tritiya Vibhakti. By the fire. And Griham is?
Napunsakalinga Shabda. Saptami Vibhakti Ekvachanam.
Saptami.
Saptami. And Pradipte is what?
Vidiling.
Pradipte, how could it be Vidiling? What is the Vidiling Shabda form? Ved, eight, it will come eight. So here, this is not a lakara. This is a ta pratyaya.
Oh.
Okay, this is the ta pratyaya and it is a visheshanam for grihe.
Visheshanam for this.
So it is burning house. In the burning house, caused by the fire, the digging of a well is not appropriate. So pratite is ikta pratyaya of the dhatu, meaning burning. Okay. So the saptami is used to mean when that is happening. Whenever you want to use when we can use yada. Remember yada and tada? We can use that, or we can use this kind of usage, saptami. Okay, when the house is burning, don't go and this is inappropriate. Digging of a well is inappropriate.
So this pradipte van hina grihe, this itself is a karmani prayoga ta pratyaya, one sentence can be taken, right? Pradipte van hina grihe. Right?
It is
By,
not the pratyaya. I mean, it is not passive voice. It is not karmani.
but pradipte ta pratyaya to make it past tense, right?
It is past tense, but it is not
Karmani.
karmani. That's
Oh.
what I mean.
I thought one hina, but like it is tritiya,
Yeah.
and then pradipte or bhave karni. No?
No. It is past tense.
Past tense, only past tense.
By the yeah, it is past tense. Because if it is karmani, the object that is who is burning? The house is burning. So when the
Yeah.
house is burning, it will be in Prathama Vibhakti for Karmani Prayoga.
So,
No,
but it can
it
go
can,
in
yeah.
other vibhaktis also, right? So
Yeah, it
pradipte
can.
will follow graha. So if it is first form, then it is pradiptaha, pradiptam graham. But in Saptami, it is pradipte
Yeah,
grahe.
yeah, that's what exactly I'm thinking. Pradipte grihe vannina asti. No. Vannina. That makes sense actually.
By the fire.
Mm.
So,
Yeah, actually, Vannina grihe pradipte asti. What? We saw this a few classes back, no?
pratyaya.
Mm.
When it goes in other vibhakti, I get confused.
No, even for me it's confusing. Ramene likite grante anekani patrani santi.
Ramena likhite granthe. So granthe likhite.
By Rama. Yeah, maybe you are correct. I have to check. I need clarity on this. I have to check. It looks like Karmani. It doesn't look like Karmani also. So I'm not. I don't know. I will check and tell you. Okay. So Pradipte Vanina Grihe, when but this is mostly a Sati Saptami Prayoga, they say. But anyway, I'll check. Okay, when the house is burning, Upakananam na yuktam.
Upakhananam na
Okay, so Vyakaramsha has over. The Pratipadartha also we discussed the meaning of each word. Vakya Visleshanam is the grouping of the words into vibhaktis. Okay. The other two steps is Akanksha Krama and then Anvaya. So Akanksha Krama will be like what? Kriya Padam will be?
Padam Chintaniya Padam. Pradipte, we can take, right?
That is not
Pradipte
Kriya
Grihe.
Padam. Pradipte is a Namapadam.
Ta pratyaya. Nam padam.
Namapadam. But here we always start our Akanksha Krama. We ask our verb. We always ask the verb questions. We find
Asti.
that Asti. Here there is no verb. So there is, you have to have Asti. Kim Asti or Ka Asti Pratikriya Asti. Kidrisha Pratikriya Chintaniya Ka Pratikriya Asti. Huh? Then Tada Adav Eva. Okay, and Kasam Vipadam. Like that you have to do.
Kasam vipadam. And Adau Eva.
Adav.
So,
Kada. When?
Kasmin.
Kasmin will
Because it
not
is
come, no, because it is
Adau like Harau, Saptami. No? So question will be in Saptami when we ask.
just because it is in Saptami, question should not be in Saptami. You should
Okay.
be making, meaning also. So, Ada, what is the meaning? In the beginning itself.
In the beginning itself.
So then you will ask Kada. Because Kasmin will be like in where Kasmin is not appropriate there, definitely. Na Kupa Kananam Yuktam Pradipte Vanina Grihe. Here also there is one Asti. Kupa Kananam Asti. Kidrisha Kupa, or you should add, when Na is there, you should say Na Asti. You should begin with Na Asti. So, Kim Asti Kupa Kananam Na Asti. Kidrisham, then you say Yuktam Na Asti. This again will be Kada only. This again will be Kada, Pradipte Grihe, when the house is burning. Kimartam Grihe Pradipte Asti Vanina. So, any question? And then based on this Akanksha Krama, you can come up with this order. Vipadam Adaveva Pratikriya Chintaniya. Is there a Sarga there? Grihe Sandipte or Pradipte Vanina Kupakananam Nayam. This is the correct order, and this is the Sanskrita meaning. Want to read this?
संकटस्य प्रारंभे एव तस्य निवारण उपायाः चिन्तनीयाः न तु विपदः उद्भूतायां कालः यथा गृहे अग्निना दाहकाले जलार्थं कूपस्य खननं न उचितं तथा विपत्काले उपायचिन्तनं न युक्तम् अतः पूर्व सावधानता एव श्रेयसी.
Savdhan is to what Savdhan means?
Alert. Alertness.
Alertness. Purva Savdhana, to be alert much before is always the best. Shreyasi, best.
Shreyasi. Is the Strilinga?
It's Strilinga because Purva
like
Savdhanata,
like Savdhanata.
Like Savdhanata, because it is Strilinga. Okay. So, I didn't have much. There is half an hour more, 30 minutes more. We can read a story, but we won't be able to finish. I was thinking we can finish with this class because there is nothing, no other, topics to cover. We can, do you want to read that story? I don't think we can finish it, but we can read it if you want. Or we can like stop the class now. What do you want to do? I'm okay with anything. Because whatever I need to cover, no, I revised also, I have covered also.
Yes.
What did you say, Mahodaya?
I said yes, ma'am.
No, do you want to? So I'm thinking we'll have this as the last class, today's as the last class. And
Yes,
we will do exam on second week of May. No, I'm saying, shall we end the class now or do you want to read a story?
We will not be able to finish Mahodaya then. It will be.
We won't be able to finish because it's
Yes.
quite big.
Like that.
It's quite big actually.
So we can stop, I think, if Mahodaya is okay.
Yes.
Okay. That's good then. I'm happy we are completing.
Lata.
Lata.
Thank you for everything, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you for
thank you.
attending.
Thank you. Thank you so much for everything.
It was enjoyable, very enjoyable. And
Oh,